You have a set of Jamaicans that genuinely believe that Jamaicans who are living overseas, aka the Jamaica diaspora, should not have a say in the country, nor should even give commentary on the country. And to you I say, do you understand what you're saying? Do you understand that the diaspora pours millions of dollars into the country? Do you understand that the diaspora are the same family members you call every weekend and beg money or every month and beg money? You don't need to think before you talk, because I don't think you understand what I say. And not every single person who is not living in Jamaica does not care about Jamaica. Not everyone who left Jamaica left because they didn't care about Jamaica. Not everyone who is living overseas doesn't plan to come back to Jamaica. You have some people who are outside of Jamaica simply studying, working to return home. You have some people who are genuinely living overseas, but they have children, they have partners, they have families in general living in their country, and they want the country to do better for the benefit of their loved ones. So don't dare fix your mouth to say that the diaspora should not have a say or make any commentary on what is going on in Jamaica, when these are the same people who are pouring millions of dollars into the country, investing in the country in high numbers, and also you are being a parasite on them. But yeah, these are just my thoughts, what I hear.